This is going to be a short tutorial. In my last tutorial, I could not discuss much in detail about this arteries and veins of the heart. So I'm going to discuss it here in detail. So this 1 and 2 are the two most important veins. The one at the upper is called superior, means upper vena cava, and 2 that is at the bottom is called inferior. Inferior means below. Superior means upper, up, inferior means below. So these are the two important veins. That means impure blood or deoxygenated blood from systemic circulation enters into heart through these two veins. The one at the top is called superior and the one at the bottom is called inferior vena cava. And this is the main artery called aorta, and this circular part is called arch of aorta. This is the main artery. It has huge blood pressure, and from here it branches to different arteries. One goes to the upper body, one goes to the lower body, one goes to the digestive system, like that. 4. These two things. This is called right pulmonary vein. Even though it is vein, but it is carrying pure blood from the lung. When it comes to pulmonary circulation, vein carries pure blood, and this 5 is left pulmonary veins. It again carries pure blood from the left lung. So from right pulmonary vein carries pure blood from the right lung, left pulmonary vein carries pure blood from the left lung. So when it comes to pulmonary circulation, vein carries pure blood. Then 6 is right pulmonary artery, and 7 is left pulmonary artery, and 8 is the main pulmonary artery, which branches into 6 and 7. So from main pulmonary artery it branches to 6 and 7. And pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated or impure blood which goes to lung. So when it comes to pulmonary circulation, artery carries impure blood, and when it goes to systemic circulation, artery always carries pure blood. So I hope you understood this. There is a difference between pulmonary and systemic circulation. So let me write it here so that you can remember very well. And this you need to understand very clearly. In pulmonary circulation, pulmonary artery carries impure blood. That means blood having more carbon dioxide and less oxygen. So when it comes to pulmonary circulation, pulmonary artery carries impure blood, and pulmonary vein carries pure blood. That means oxygenated blood. So this is the difference between pulmonary and systemic circulation. So this thing I want you to remember very well, that in pulmonary circulation, artery carries impure blood, vein carries pure blood. In systemic circulation, artery carries pure blood and vein carries impure blood. The reason it is because by definition, artery means exit from heart and vein means entrance into heart. So there is no other choice but to give it name like that. So, but in systemic circulation, artery carries pure blood and vein carries impure blood. So please remember these two things and this difference very clearly, that artery is exit from heart and vein is entrance into heart. So purpose of pulmonary circulation is just the opposite. In pulmonary circulation, blood leaves the heart to get purified. In systemic circulation, blood leaves the heart to become impurified. So these two differences please remember.